Hi everyone, today we are going to learn about one of the methods in integration by parts, which is Tabular Method. Hi there, did you know any audio processing in your computer is likely using Fourier transforms, which use integration to transform a digital signal into its component frequencies? Yup. This integration will most likely be applied in many fields in future. When two functions are multiplied together, the functions become a little bit complex. Hence, how to integrate this complex mixed function then? Yep, this is where we need to use by parts integration. There are many methods to undergo by parts integration. What I'm going to share with you today. The name of the method by parts integration is Tabular Method. Today, we are going to explore the beauty of math in topic integration with subtopic by parts method. As we all know, by parts method is one of the techniques of integration. The usage of by parts method is when the equation is mixed with other types of function. For example, when the integration question is mixed between logarithm and polynomial L plus B. My teacher said that by parts method is difficult to understand and hard to learn. Here, we will learn how to solve this kind of question in other method without using traditional method. Why are we choose Tabular Method? Tabular Method is easy to be comprehend and less confusing. Let's check it out. That method we're talking about is Tabular Method. We will find that it will help all of us to solve this type of question. It's easy to score. Okay, let's have a quick note. Need to find graphs and examples of functions for each of L, I, P, E, and T's functions. Most students will definitely get confused with L, I, P, E, T. The first function is chosen as differential category. Is the function that comes first in a letter of L, I, P, E, T, where L stands for logarithmic function, I is inverse function, B as polynomial function, E is exponential function, where T as a trigonometric function. In this part, we will do a L plus P part. First, you have to do a table that includes 3 columns: sign, differentiation, and integration. Put a plus sign first and follow by minus sign. And this sign will continuously alternate until the differentiation and integration find the simplest function. We choose in x as a differential part because L first before P, Lippert's principle. Then we differentiate the in x to 1 over x. 4 will be integrated to 4x. The rules of the Tabular Method is cross multiple between differentiation and integration. The unique solution for L plus P is when we see a polynomial at the same row for differentiation and integration. When we see it, we stop. We need to apply formula of by part to solve this kind of question, which is only happen when L meets P, which is integrate 1 over x with 4x dx. In this part 2, we will do exercise on P plus E. First, you have to do a table that includes 3 columns: sign, differentiation, and integration. Put a plus sign first and follow minus sign. This sign will continuously alternate until the differentiation and integration find the simplest function. We choose x power of 3 as a differential part because p first before e, like principle. Then we differentiate the x power of 3 until 0. After that, integrate e power of 2x until the same row of 0 at the differential side. Then we will get the answer by match the first row of sign and differentiation with the next row of integration. All of them need to multiply. Next, the second row of sign multiply with the same row of differentiation with next row of integration. Next, the third row of sign. So the steps are still the same until we didn't get 3 things to multiply. Remember, you cannot take differentiation on the same row. Take integration on the next row of differentiation. In this part 3, we will do an exercise on p plus t. First, you have to do a table that includes 3 columns: sign, differentiation, and integration. Put a plus sign first and follow by minus sign. This sign will continuously alternate until the differentiation and integration find their simplest function. We choose x power of 2 as a differential part because p first before t, like that principle. Then we differentiate the x power of 2 until 0. After that, integrate sin 2x until the same row of 0 on the differential side. Then we will get the answer by match the first row of sign and differentiation with next row of integration. All of them need to be multiplied. Next, the second row of sign multiply with same row of differentiation with next row of integration. Next, the third row of sign. So the steps are the same until we didn't get 3 things to multiply. Remember, you cannot take differentiation on the same row. Take integration on the next row of differentiation. In this part 4, we will do an exercise on e plus t. First, again, you have to do a table that includes 3 columns: sign, differentiation, and integration. Put a plus sign first and follow by minus sign. This sign will continuously alternate until the differentiation and integration same as question. We choose either e as differential part because e first before t. Remember, Lipid principle. Then we differentiate e power of x and integrate cos x until same as question. After that, do the tabular method. Remember, you cannot take differentiation on the same row. Take integration on the next row of differentiation, but a unique solution for e plus t in this case, because when exponent and trigonometry differentiate or integrate, there will be no ending for them. When we see it same as question, we stop. So we need to replace the integration part as question symbol. Can be any alphabet. Do some algebraic, then we will get the answer. That's all for now. Thank you and bye-bye.